Hello, my name is Yujiro and welcome to my garage. Now, this video shows as a way for people who are trying to get a little bit of extra power out of their motorcycle for free. So you may have heard of people modifying their airbox. I did it. I cut the top off last evening and I thought, oh, it's gonna have a bit more power, and it does. But the induction sound sucks. I'm not even gonna fire it up because it's so horrible. So I am going to take the tank cover off, take the seat off, then I'll show you what I did. It's not very pretty. Nothing's damaged, I just hate the sound it makes and it's not worth the extra power. Okay, so as you can see, I took the bike apart for just a little bit. All that went off is the tank cover, covers the battery, CDI and the seat. That's all it needs. Now, this should be covered up, but we're gonna pull it off. See? That's gonna be covered with duct tape and I've ordered a new part already. Now, let's have a look at the air filter. This is the filter. It's okay, I might order one in a couple of weeks. Now I'm gonna put some duct tape on that. Just gonna be a quick video. Okay, so I kinda fixed it. I put duct tape on it. Should be strong enough. For until Friday, that's when the part arrives. And I hope, let's see, is that a good angle? Yeah, pretty much. That this is just gonna slide in. Yes. Okay, now to assemble the bike again. That's the button. Okay, so the bike is back in order. I'm gonna do a quick check if I can find my key. It's right here. That's way better. But I'm gonna be happy when the new part is here. Then I'm gonna put it on. When the exhaust is here, it's gonna be a big video. Then it's gonna get dyno tuned and I'm gonna try to film it, but I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. It's at least gonna get tuned, not sure if it's on a dyno or not. We'll see. But thank you for watching. My name is Yujiro, and if you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you wanna get notified whenever I upload, hit the little bell icon next to my username. On to the next one. Peace.